Guess what, guys? You know what's in there? Our spring tradition. We bought more chickens. Oh, that's how you get them out.
Yeah.
I almost fell into the box when I tried to grab one. Do you want to grab one?
Yeah. Come over here.
Oh, they're gonna be so big very quickly. Okay, so this is the progress. Over here we already started to put up a fence. This is just for the garden, so that's not for the property line. We want to have this fence around it so it looks a little bit more put together and organized that way. And there's 2 butter lettuce that I planted here. This is something I like to buy at the store, and once we eat them, they come with the roots. I just put it into the dirt and it regrows beautifully. I done this several times and it works. And I have my strawberries. We also made so many wooden chips. So these are the old branches that were coming off of the trees. So these wooden chips will cover this area. So this is the 2 planters that Joet made. We got a sawmill and these wood pieces were cut by Joet. So we saved a tons of money. We had to pay for the sawmill, but at least we don't have to pay for any material, and this is already $200 or $300 would have been cost us because of this thick material. We're gonna get back our money from the sawmill as we are making more raised beds. We are planning to put at least 10 of them over here. Today we planted how many trees?
There was 1 and we got 9 more.
We have the raspberries. We put down the fence as well. You.
Yeah, we put some fence posts. What we have, we had some around.
Yeah, so we have all the raspberries. They are already started to have some leaves. And here are the trees. Okay, so we bought a few plants. Ooh, this is nice and toasty in here.
Oh yeah.
Finally we have tenants here.
We have some tenants over here. They are occupying some of the shelves.
I've got some beets. I was looking for this for a while. It's got some stripes. It's very pretty. I got some chives and onions. Hello.
Hi.
Everybody's gathering here because this is the warmest. And I got a bunch of salad, and I will have some from seeds as well. And these are some edible flowers. We're going to start to add more pretty soon. So this is how far we got with the outside project, and we will update you guys probably in the day in the life or something like that. I'm not sure, but we will have an update on this. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye bye.